Discord packet loss on Windows. 1. Restart your devices. 2. Use a wired connection, if you can. And, Google some tips to increase your internet connection speed. 3. Disable the Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority option in Discord settings. 4. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide. 5. Try the web version. 6. Remove and reinstall Discord. 7. Update your network adapter driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.